Hello students, welcome to techniyojan. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today we'll see your important questions for your IT practical exams that are on the way. I guess some colleges have started the practical exams for board, or I would say somebody will take on February. Okay, so then after that, the online exams are on March month. Okay, so we'll start over here, students. The important questions will not take much more in this video. Only the important 5 to 6 questions I will give you out, and that will let you score full 20 marks, I would say, including your timely completion of certified journals. Okay, so certified journals I am mentioning out over here. So we'll start over here, students. Skill oriented practicals. Okay, so as you know that you have some 12 skill sets and advanced web designing 5, JavaScript 4, and server side scripting 3 that given out. But over here there are many. So see, the first chapters, advanced web designing, I will say you that the first one, creation of website, this is very much more important. Okay, so basic HTML tags, the usage of basic HTML tags, the body tag, header tag, then style tag, this all stuff actually you use it for CSS, inclusion of CSS, you use style tag and all. Okay, so for this these two questions you can prepare well. Okay, for SOP 1, I would say for HTML advanced web designing SOP, you can concentrate on this question. Then the question that is this, create a web page using HTML and CSS, design the layout displayed below. Like this, a particular layout they could give, not the same one. Okay, if possible only the particular names can be replaced. Okay, could be replaced, actually these names can could be replaced, I would say. So any instead of this tourist places, I would say title, some other title it would be, and for city there would be any other subjects, or list of subjects, or list of streams and all stuff. Okay, so basically okay, so like this, second question, a particular pattern, rest all the tag structures and all could be same, only the title like this, text whatever it is you can replace out with that. Okay, so it will be 90% similar like this question. Then you can skip this web page, as you know, if you have completed the first two, so no need to go through with this, because this is also again the same, the name, the time, seat number, this all stuff, like you will take input tags and all. Okay, label for that. Okay, so it's not much more important, but then also, yeah, still you can have a refer on this. Okay, as because over here you have something like this. Okay, so you can include that particular. Okay, so now in certain scenarios this fourth one could be asked, but it is a lengthier one, I knew that. Okay, but yes, if you practice it 3 to 4 times, it will be very easy for you. Okay, this certain tags are there, so if you include those tags, and if you still not achieve an output like this, similar scenario like this, whatever the particular scenario has been given, then also as per the usage of this tags, that with the inclusion of CSS and all, if you write it out in your paper at least, so you will easily score near to 80% of your practical this SOP question, I would say. Suppose it is of 15 marks, 1 1 5. Okay, and 5 marks are for journal with timely submission of certificate and all like those. Okay, from the internal examiners, I would say. Okay, from your professor or teacher or whatever it is, so it will be able to score you 5 marks. So rest 15 you can include like this, write the particular code, and you can show it to your external examiner, so that also let you score near to 80 marks. If you are not supposed to, I would say, jot this type of output or look and feel that is presented over here or in your paper, how they are asked. Okay, if as not in the similar pattern, if you are not able to make those particular content as per that mentioned, document, then also if you include this type of tags, if they have asked to use these tags and you have to do, so that will score you 80 plus marks. Or if you done quite in a good way and like the thing, the output is expected as per the expected output, if you have done, then it's well and good, you will score full 15 marks. Okay. So use of audio of web pages, only the audio tag and video tag, this you have to include it out, the source tag, that's it, and you will score full. Nothing to worry about this question, only that two tags that you have in your chapter in the front of your textbook of first chapter, the I would say topics, audio tags and video tags, but that's it, you have to include those and you will score full marks. Okay, this also. Okay, so now client side image mapping, I'm not considering an important one over here. SEO also not considering an important over here. So means it's an important one, it is well if you prepare this type of question, but then the question that I have said, the first four one, okay, at least if you are doing first, second, third, any two among those you have to do. Okay, because second is completely involvement of all the listing tags, third is of input type tags and all stuff, right? And first one some label and some pages, linking pages and all. Okay, 2 to 3 pages you have to do, and some linking to be provided in that. Okay, so and the fourth one is proper indentation as per the article design they have expected. Okay, then the fifth and sixth, the simple tags, the audio and video tags you have to use, and this is client side image mapping, the use map, area, those all stuff you have to take, and image img tag. Okay, so like that. Okay, so yeah, then SEO, only SEO the part you have to only write the necessary steps, the suggestion, the optimize to optimize a particular page, what to do and blah blah and all stuff. Then importance of SEO, right? So what I am saying, first, second, third, fourth में से any three, then fifth and sixth में से any one, that's it, हो गया first chapter. Okay, then we'll come to JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript, the first one, this is there for background color and all stuff, every seconds we have to display and all. Then this, the second one, it's very much important, I would say, for validations. Okay, form validation. Okay, usage of a particular form validation, creating a JavaScript program. Okay, using JavaScript objects and entities, I would say. So in that case, I would say the second is very much important. Okay, second one is very much important. Then the third one, to count the vowels, this is also, this it could be like under that question, it is important, not a SOP kind of more into, I would say, but if you have an luck and easy part, then to score 15 marks simple, this count of number of vowels could be also asked. Else it could be asked in 5 marks wala question, where in your theory online exam, okay, that you have in the boards. Okay, so count of number of vowels is also very much important. So you should do this because it can help you in 5 marks question, as this 15 mark wale mein bhi you can help it out. Then reverse the string and check whether it is palindrome or not, very very important. Okay, only this 3 you can take it out, this reverse string, palindrome, and the prime number or not, that also you can take it out. And then vowels, number of vowels you have to count. Okay, then the form validations. Okay, the form validations wala question, this 3 only. From this, if you do this, that first wala 4 first chapter ka, and this 3, then also it is very much enough, I would say. Okay, so over here, then again other comes over here. Okay, the Fahrenheit degree Celsius calculation, that also you can check it out, but yeah, it's not, I would say, that much, but yeah, it could come. But those 3 you should complete. Okay, because if you do those 3 also, then also you will get an idea how to do this all stuff. Okay, this all I would say practicals. Okay, then create a JavaScript program, average marks. Okay, this is also important one, very important, I would say. So as per the average marks calculation, you have to distribute the grades, the marks that the student is being scored out in a particular subjects. Okay, as per that the grade is being defined. It is also an important one. Yeah, this you can leave it out. Okay, this is not much important. Seventh one. Okay, so over here also 4 questions I said. Okay, so second, third, fourth में से कोई भी 3 करो, and from here this sixth वाला important है, ये कैसे भी कर लेना. Okay, anyhow you should do this, you practice it. So 3 questions again from here, 3 to 4 and first 3 to 4. बस इतना भी किया तो भी इनफ है आपका. इसमें ये दोनों में यू कैन स्कोर 10 मार्क्स फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन एग्जाम जो 5-5 मार्क वाला आने वाला है, HTML और CSS का, और ये जावास्क्रिप्ट का, और SOP का भी 15 मार्क्स का. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव ए नोट ऑन दिस. फिर अगर एक्स्ट्रा में करना है, so you can do this one, total number of vowels to count. Okay, write a PHP function. Okay, PHP function to total number of vowels. Then you can check it out, this first one as well, and a vote of 18. Okay, that minimum age to check and all stuff. Then this is very much important. PHP जैसा जावास्क्रिप्ट का देखा था, like that only you will check PHP प्रोग्राम सर्वर साइड वाला भी देख लेना एक बार. ठीक है, so write PHP to display elements of arrays, size of an array. Okay, this could be a rare one but you should do this. Okay, programs ये वाला 4th and 5th देख लेना एक बार, to save the marks using for each, and this is the total marks and all stuff to display the marks and individual and the total marks and percentage. So ये दो, और ये वाला एक count a number of vowels, ये वाला एक कर लेना. देन डिसीजन मेकिंग फर्स्ट वाला भी कर सकते हो, एलिजिबल और नॉट फॉर अ पर्सन टू चेक आउट द एलिजिबिलिटी फॉर ए वोटिंग पर्सपेक्टिव, द कैंडिडेट फॉर ए कैंडिडेट. ओके, सो इसमें सेकंड वाला कैसे भी करना है, थर्ड वाला कैसे भी आपको करना है, बस ये 2 करके रखो तो भी चल जाएगा अपने को. फिर डेटाबेस वाला है PHP, और ये डेटाबेस ये थोड़ा रेयर में पूछेगा बट पूछ सकता है, किसी एक को तो पूछेगा शायद, स्लिप्स में रहेगा. ठीक है, बिकॉज दे हैव टू इंक्लूड ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. सो नॉट मच मोर, बट जिससे जम रहा है यू कैन डू दिस एज वेल. ये भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, फ्यूचर में बहुत काम में आएगा. इफ यू गो इन फ्यूचर वाइज इन एनी अदर आई वुड से इंजीनियरिंग एंड डिग्री एंड वट एवर इट इज, सो इन दैट केस you will find it very much helpful if you do it now only. Okay students, so I think I will wrap up over here. Okay, हो गया, हमने सर्वर साइड का, जावास्क्रिप्ट का और HTML का कर लिया. सबसे फर्स्ट वाला HTML रिलेटेड, HTML CSS रिलेटेड देखा, वो वाले 4 क्वेश्चंस कर लेने, और जावास्क्रिप्ट पे भी 3-4 कर लेने. फिर सर्वर साइड का लास्ट में आके करना है. देखो 1-2 करो, वॉवेल का और मार्क्स वाला कर लो. सॉरी, वॉवेल का और मार्क्स वाला ये 2 तो भी करो तो भी इनफ है. अगर नहीं कर पा रहे तो छोड़ो. तो ऐसे करके 4, 3 और 2 कितना हो गया, 4, 3, 7 और ये 2, 9 से 10 क्वेश्चन है. पर एकदम फर्स्ट 2 का जो जावास्क्रिप्ट और HTML CSS दोनों को करोगे तो कितना आ गया, 4-4 क्वेश्चन या 4-3 जो भी है, मतलब 7 या 8, 7 से 8 भी कर लिया तो भी SOP के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू 15 मार्क का कवर हो गया. और 5-5 मार्क के जो आपके क्वेश्चन जो बोर्ड में पूछने वाले थियरी में जो आता है ऑनलाइन एग्जाम में, वो भी पूरा हो गया स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोग्रामिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जो कि ये वीडियो ऑल अबाउट था. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, so I will wrap up over here. We'll come with next set of couple of questions, queries of your students with video. Okay, so videos में हम आएंगे अगले कुछ सेशंस में, कुछ ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंस डिस्कस करेंगे, कुछ सॉल्यूशंस डिस्कस करेंगे, कुछ शॉर्टकट्स डिस्कस करेंगे फॉर IT सब्जेक्ट्स. If somebody is of electronics, computer science, there also will land over here. Okay students, so I request you all to like this video if you like it, and subscribe the channel, and spread this channel with your friends students so that they can make help from these videos for their class 12th HSC Maharashtra board preparation of board exams that are on the way now this month, which precede February and March, this both. Okay students, so till then, thank you, subscribe the channel.